Two words come up constantly in ambassadors, and they do not mean the same thing: creator and ambassador. A creator is anyone who submits a campaign. An ambassador is a particular kind of creator, and the difference decides where they show up and how their money is counted. Open ambassadors, then general. Campaign types available controls which kinds of campaign your supporters can create, and it spells the difference out. Fundraisers for existing campaigns is the one that makes somebody an ambassador. Their donations roll up to a campaign you already run, and the creator becomes an ambassador. On this site, 5 campaigns are currently accepting fundraisers. The other 2 do not. A campaign for your organization is tracked on its own. A personal cause campaign sends the money you raise to the creator instead. In both cases, the creator is not counted as an ambassador. That decides where you find them. Supporters who fundraise for one of your campaigns appear under ambassadors. Standalone organization and personal campaigns appear under campaigns. You can see it in the moderation queue. Every row has a creator, but only the ones with a parent campaign are ambassadors. Saving Silver Key Park has no parent campaign. Martha is a creator, she is not an ambassador. Jordan, just above her, is both. Find more charitable tutorials at wpcharitable.com.